In this video, we are going to learn about the raw string operator in Python. So the raw string operator, suppose we have our raw string. Raw string operators helps to treat the slash operator as a normal slash operator. What I'm trying to say is that suppose we have a statement like escape sequence. Whenever we are adding an escape sequence, str, suppose str1 is equals to hello. After this, I want to include slash n. Slash n is an escape sequence and I'm writing world. So now I want to print slash n. If I try to print this statement str1, and so it prints slash n is an escape sequence, therefore world is printed in the new line. But I don't want to keep world in the new line. So I will add here a raw string r. With the help of this, I can print the escape sequence also. Either we can add a small r or we can add a capital R. Both of them are valid. We can also use the other escape sequence like we have tab. We can work with backspace. So this was about the raw string.